I haven't uploaded on YouTube in a while, and I just want to fill you in on what's happening with the car so you guys aren't thinking I disappeared. I'm still waiting on parts. It's taking a long time for the parts to arrive, but this is the drive shaft from Mazworks, front cover gasket for the transmission. This is a Nismo Super Copper Mix clutch. That's the bell housing inside of there, just a bunch of adapting parts in here. I got a T28, as you guys know if you watched to the end of the last video. This is the T28 right here. I've got the GK Tech clocking kit on there. I got to shave down some hardware to make that fit. But you can see this whole table right here. I've been doing a lot of work behind the scenes. I just figured out that I have to take the entire transmission like completely apart in order to properly seal this intersection. So that's one more thing I have to do. That's another gasket I have to order for the shifter linkages, the cover for the shifter linkages and stuff. Yeah, it really sucks when it takes so long for parts to get here and there's so many parts to order and things to figure out. So that's just a small, quick update of everything. Check my Instagram. I have some pictures up of how the Nismo clutch came boxed because that's like a really, really cool part. That's actually straight out of Japan. So I got that imported from Japan. Yeah, this video is really short. It was gonna be just a quick update so you guys can know that I'm still waiting on parts, unfortunately. I want the content I get out to you guys to be genuine. I don't want it to be kind of like me just pushing stuff out for views just because. I want to make real, actual videos, so that's why there has not been a video released yet, because I want to make something good and not rushed and forced. So I will see you guys soon. The parts will be here, hopefully very soon, and we'll have an actual video out. In the meantime, check my Instagram. I will be posting pictures there and updates there if you guys want to see some stuff and actually keep up. In terms of the next YouTube video, it will be out when it's out. I'll see you guys then. Thanks for watching this update. I appreciate you, and I don't know. Bye.